Check it out. What's up? So today is what, the 20th, I think. I don't know, let's just say the 20th of August 2017, and we decided to go floating today. We got stuck in a thunderstorm. We got a little fire going back there. You can see right there. Got a little fire going. I'm gonna cook up some hot dogs. All in all, beautiful day. It's still very cloudy, but it's nice and cool outside, and water temperature's nice, and pretty good day. So it's not gonna be a long vlog today, but I just wanted to bring you guys along. I am trying out a new raft or a new tube that I've never used before. I usually use a raft, an inner tube blow up boat type thing, and right now I'm actually using an inner tube, and having a lot of fun. It's holding up. I'm a big guy, as you guys know, so everything seems to be doing good, and that's that for now. So hope you guys are enjoying. So we got home, I don't know, 6 o'clock in the evening last night after the float trip. I was a little bit tired and being out in the sun all day, and I was just ready to call it quits. So did not record too much because it wasn't really planned. Just something, as far as the recording goes, it wasn't really planned. It's just something I kind of threw together. Hope you guys enjoy it. It's not a long video, but hopefully you guys can appreciate the fact that we went floating in a thunderstorm. Anyways, thanks for tuning in.
We might get a couple comments of, why are you guys so stupid?